So moving to our next program in loops, we have a series and we have to print it. The series is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on up to n. See very carefully. The series is 5, 10, 15 up to n. Okay, up to n means if we put n equals to 12, then the output will be 5
5, 10.
and 10. And if it is up to n, okay, and if I write n equals to 2, then it will print this. Okay, so this is the difference between up to n and up to n terms. Okay, so I will explain you both the examples. So first I'm printing this series up to n. So first header file, then int main, our main function here. Now variable initialization and declaration. Okay, so first of all, see the logic. What is the logic behind this series? We can see that the first term of this series is 5 and the next digits are increasing by 5 bits previous term. Okay, and we have to move it up to n. So first of all, we have to take the input from the user, that up to how many, up to what number I have to print this series. So for that, we take a variable and simply n. Now look at the first term of the series. So int a equals to 5, we store 5 in the variable a, and we can also take the common difference, that is 5, or we cannot, because in the every term the difference is constant, so no need to take it. Now take the input from the user, enter value of n, scanf ampersand of n. Okay, so here user will give an input. Now after that what we have to do, we have to check whether the current term we are printing is less than n or not. So, and also we have to use loop here, because the same process of printing that series, printing that number of the series is same. So while a less than equal to n, this is the condition, you remember. Now if the condition goes true, then a will be printed, then a will be printed. So for this, %d, and what will be printed, a. Okay, now after the printing of a, we will have to move to our next term. So next term is 5 greater than its previous term, so we can write like this, a equals to a plus 5. Do you have any doubt in this statement? Okay, no. So after this, the condition will goes to here, the control will go to here, that the condition will checked again. That is, now a is 5 plus 5, that is 10. So is 10 less than n? If it is true, then value of a, this value of a will be printed. If the condition goes false, then the program will be terminated. Okay. Now see, we are running this code. See here, we put n equals to 10. Okay, 100, sorry. So the series is printed up to 100. Okay. Now tell me, if I enter 99, so up to how many term it will be print?
95.
Very good. So I think now you are understanding the logic and the control. Okay.
Yes.
So tell me one thing, can you write this code without seeing this? Tell me.
Yeah.
Can you write this code without seeing this?
हाँ हम लिख लिए तुम्हारा करने के पहले.
Okay. Anyone? Manisha.
ये वाला मेरा भी लिखना हो गया है.
Okay, very good. So हम बोल रहे थे जैसे कि हम ये अप टू एन तक बोल रहे हैं और हम अप टू एन टर्म्स भी बोलेंगे, ठीक है? तो अब हम वो करने जा रहे हैं. सेम कोड होगा, बस इसको कॉपी करेंगे, ठीक है? यहाँ पे अप टू एन टर्म्स. ओके. नाउ जब भी अप टू एन टर्म्स बोलेगा तो हमको एक काउंटर वेरिएबल लेना पड़ेगा. ये एकदम दिमाग में बैठा लो. हमको काउंट करना पड़ेगा कि कितना टर्म्स हम प्रिंट किए हैं. ओके. एकदम कंपल्सरी है लूप्स के प्रोग्राम में. अगर नंबर ऑफ टर्म प्रिंट करना है तो हमको एक काउंटर वेरिएबल चाहिए ही चाहिए, जिस जो हमको ये बता सके कि हम कितना नंबर टर्म्स तक पहुंचे हैं. फाइन. नाउ we take number of terms in n. We take the first term in 5, that is very must, ठीक है? And now a counter variable, let I be the counter variable. Okay. So just put this. The condition will be here, n less than equal to I less than equal to n. Okay. If this is true, then a will be printed. After printing a will be incremented by 5, and we will move to our next term by incrementing I equals to I plus 1. Did you got it? After this, the control will be moved back to the while statement. Okay. Now if it is true, then this block of code will be executed. If this condition, whenever this condition goes false, the program will be terminated. Did you got it? Now see the output. I entering the value of n, that is number of terms. Let I want to print this series up to 10 terms. Then what is this? 1 second. Oh, we have to initialize I by
equals to 1.
Now entering the, what is this? 5, 10. Why this is happening? while I less than equal to n. This is true, this is true, I equals to I plus 1. Do one thing, write this program in your compiler and check this once. Hello?
My dev C++ is in my laptop and I'm using my laptop now.
Okay, so run this code.
How?
I hope you can write this code without seeing this. You can
Hmm.
write this code with your own. So check this, whether this code is correct or not. I think the program is correct.
हाँ
So why this is happening, I can't understand. I'm checking it in another compiler.
देखो हम भेजे, मेरा तो हो गया है।
हम्म,
हम
हो
भेजे
गया,
देखो। हाँ
रन किया है।
हुआ तो। हाँ हम तो कब से करके बैठे हैं। एक बार i+1 की जगह i++ करके देखो, वही सिर्फ डिफरेंट है हम दोनों का।
उससे कुछ नहीं होगा।
वही ना, उससे तो कुछ होता नहीं है, बात तो एक ही है।
Wait. See this, the code is very correct. I was having some compiler problem. You can see the output. I entered the value of n 10, so 10 terms are printed. Okay, so no need to worry. Every time you have to be confident in yourself. Okay, whether you have done correct or wrong. So have you compiled this code in your laptop? Hello.
हाँ
Okay, so now we will do another program. The program is series printing. Actually, I have done lots of series in the flowchart. Okay, so let's get started with another series. Now the series is like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, we have to print this sum of the series up to n terms. So I hope you can write this series. Can you?
या
Hurry up. Everyone, please write the program. So the given series is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, first term of this series is 1. The difference between every term is 2. and we have to print this series up to n terms. So as we have to print this series up to n terms, so we have to take the input from the user within a variable. So we declare a variable n. We initialize our first term in a, and we are counting the sum. Sorry, we are calculating the sum. So for that, sum will be 0 initially, and we have taken the first term. So counter variable I will be 1. Now taking the input from the user. For that, give a message, enter number of terms. Now scanf. For taking the input from the keyboard from the user, the input will be stored in the variable n. After n, the logic says that we have to move up to n terms. Okay, and after moving, we have to add each term in the sum variable. Okay, so condition is I less than equal to n. Whenever the condition goes true, this block of the statement will be executed. So first of all, sum will be sum plus a. Then a will increased by 2, and our next term will be counted in the I. Okay, so when this loop terminate, we will have our sum of n terms. So sum of n terms is %d. Now n comma sum. Then 0. Okay, now running this code. Okay, semicolon is missing here. Now enter number of terms. Let's suppose we enter 3. So up to 3 term, we can see the sum of 3 term is 9. So let's check. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So our program is very correct. Did you got it? So now you want to print like this. So you can do it. Now I'm telling how. Before calculating the sum. Okay. Now what is 1 here? What is 1? 1 is stored in A. Okay. So just print here printf %d A. Okay. And after that, a plus symbol is there. And after that, a plus symbol is there.
डी के बगल में ए,
Sorry. In place of D, A will be printed. In place of %d, A will be printed. After that, plus symbol will be printed. Okay.
हम्म,
So then after, sum will be calculated, stored in the sum variable. A will be incremented by 2, I will be incremented by 1, and then just do this. Now there is a problem which you will face. That is,
कि
suppose
उसके
n
बाद
is
भी
equal
प्लस
to,
हो जाएगा.
yes, then suppose
हाँ,
n is equal
इसका
to 3.
सॉल्यूशन पता था लेकिन हमको
So what can we do now? According to this program, what will we print? This will print like this. Okay, and let we I have here equal to, then this will print like this. Okay, so this is not our desired output. We have to move this plus. So we can do one thing, two things. We can do two things to resolve this problem. First, we will check here. Here we will check whether it is the second last. Whether it is the last term or not. If it is last term, then plus will not be printed. If it is not the last term, then plus will be printed. Okay. And also we can do here print plus in every term, and then print put a backslash here. Put a backslash here, backslash b. So I have told you earlier the escape sequence.
ब्रेक करता है.
No, backslash b means the cursor will move to one place before. Okay, now running this code, we will have 5. So this was our desired output. So did you got now? Okay. These are such complications. Now you are a very beginner, so try to first understand the logic of the code. If you understand the logic, the control statement, then you can print anything in this code. Okay, in any style. Understood? Now there are many series I have send you in the flowchart when I taught you the flowchart. Okay, so try to write the programs for all those flowcharts. Okay, there are lots of logic. I hope you have not any problem in the logic now, because all that we have cleared in the flowchart session. So just you have to write the program, okay, according to the flowcharts. Okay.
Okay.
So do you have any more queries? We have 8 minutes remaining. So do you have any queries? Please ask.
नहीं.
No queries.
So if you don't have any queries, then I hope you can write the program for all the series. So I am ending the session. Okay, bye.